Okay guys, I am quickly reviewing a tool called PDF.ai. So what this tool does is that you can upload any PDF to this tool and it will convert that PDF to a chat box. So I've already uploaded a PDF which is I think 30-page PDF. It's under 1 MB, and for a free user they have a limit of 1. So one PDF can be uploaded. But the tool is quite good. If you are if you really have to struggling with PDF, then this tool is quite nice because it will convert it to a chat box. So what I did, I just I just uploaded this PDF to the software, and then I asked it a question: how can I hide my top rows? So it eventually took the answer and gave me the answer from the PDF. Then I asked another question: how can I link data between two different sheets? And the answer was right away. So it is saving a lot of time. So imagine a PDF which is say a 1 GB size and having 600 pages, and you want information from that PDF. So thank you for watching, and subscribe if you like. And you can share it with your friends who are dealing with a lot of documents and PDF or files. So this tool can really be a lifesaver for them.